What is up my TikTokers, this is your boy Mitchell here. Today I will be showing you a hack on Total Roblox Drama Hacked Edition. In this hack, you can go through a secret kitchen door. How? Just type /noclip and you'll see the result. Okay, I'm going in. Oh my god, look at all of this money. I'm so rich. Woohoo.
Aha, that gives me an idea. I'm gonna try the game out right now. Wait, where did everything go? Uh-oh. What the hell? This game is broken. I need to find another one.
Hello campers, welcome to your elimination. I will shortly reveal who's going home tonight.
Move over, Kyle McLean. This is my show now. Welcome to tonight's elimination. I am the new host now. Treat me with respect, or you'll be voted off.
Who the hell is this guy? I have no idea.
No way! This secret door is actually open. I'm going in. What the hell?
Big Brother knows what you did. Prepare to be cursed.
Oh my god!
Chuck, please don't tell me you stood up at 4 am again.
No, Mom, I didn't sleep last night. I keep thinking about her.
Who? Is it Lydia Worthington again?
Not her, Mom. It's Sharon Osbourne.
Wait.
What the hell just happened in there?
I don't know.